Good day, all. Today I wanted to talk to you about formatted entry and results review. I've added the results review to the formulation role. And what this allows you to do is review multiple samples and multiple results at the same time. So I'm going to demonstrate this by going to the formulation workflow and opening a folder. And selecting a few samples. So you can select by holding down the control key and multiple clicking, or you can select by holding down the shift key and starting in a series from one to the other. So I've selected 4 samples. And now I go up to the Run menu, the menu item Run, and you can see down here we have Grid Review by Sample. Like I said, I've added this to the formulation role. This is in the QC role, but I've added it to the formulation role so that you can look at results. What this allows you to do is see all of the results for the multiple samples that you've selected. You can drill this further by only looking at the samples that you are really concerned about. So in this case, we're going to look at A1C. So we can select the A1C tests, and then we see only the results for A1C. What this grid review allows you to do is look at the formatted entry versus the entered result. In this case, this sample 46 has everything is less than 3.1, which is the low cutoff for the variant for A1C. But right now we're calculating that value using a spreadsheet. Until we come up with a new assay, this is how we can look at the result. If we click over here at the entered result, you can see that the entered result is 2.31. The average is still going to use the clamp or the range to display less than 3.1, but you can see the individual results. So this allows you to see what LIMS is calculating as an average or applying the range to the individual value, and then also it allows you to see what the original value was entered. And it will also, when you're clicking back and forth, it'll also take the rounding out if there's any rounding. So you can see here it's showing 5.35 for the result here. So this is how this functions. These buttons here, approve results, reject results, and things like that, they show up in the formulation role, but they're inactive. But please stay away from these things. They shouldn't do anything, but I don't want to break anything in the system. But this is an easy way to go through and review results. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to address them either in a video format or individually. Thanks a lot.